Alrighty. How's it going, everyone? Right here again. It's nighttime and bonus video of the week. Hope everyone has a great weekend coming up. My store is finally fully open, so I ended up closing today. But I never get an opportunity to really ride at night, so I wanted to really get this time to record a night vlog. I'm a little disappointed. So something I haven't been able to show you all is I actually have underglow on this scooter, but I never really get to ride at night much, so I haven't had it plugged in. And I went to go look in my cubby here to see if my remote was still down there, and I lost it. So that's kind of sad. I might have to uninstall it now because I can't control the colors. But that's a sad time, but it's okay. I installed a new safety light on the back that blinks, so I hope that makes me just a little more visible at night. But yeah, I wanted to take this time to bring out a new topic for this video, and I wanted to just talk about my top 5, not in order, motorcycles and scooters I would love to own or try out, just overall. So I figured let's just roll right into that. And this list is not in exact order, but we're just gonna start from the bottom of the food chain here as far as engine sizes goes. And number 5 here on this list, we have the Honda PCX 150 / the ADV 150. I kind of pair them together. They are, in my opinion, some of the best overall city scooters. And they have enough horsepower to get up to about 50-60 miles an hour, so I mean you can get around pretty good on those. A really good channel I recommend to check out if you want to look at those bikes is Quasi Motard. I might have it over here in the top corner. He does a lot of rides. I think he actually recently just did the scooter cannonball with his PCX 150. That's pretty cool. He has a lot of bikes, so if you want to check out his channel, I think he'd appreciate it. Let him know I sent you my way, and let him know I sent you his way. It's a really nice BMW there. It looks a little bulgy though. I don't know how to describe that, but so next on the list I have the Honda CB500X. I really like how that bike is. It's kind of like an entry-level ADV. It's more street-oriented than dirt, but you can take it on dirt still. It's a really good commuter. It has really good gas mileage, and also Quasi Motard drives that one a lot too, and that's how I learned about that bike. So lots of Hondas on this list. Okay, next up on this list I have the Honda PC800. It's up there with one of my favorite bikes of all time. It's beautiful. The design is nothing like I've seen on other bikes. This was around the time when Honda was trying to make and market a motorcycle for car drivers, and unfortunately it didn't really work out as well as they planned, so they canceled it. But they're a really good rare gem if you ever find them. There was a guy on Facebook Marketplace I saw a few months back, and he completely refreshed his with new carbs, new everything, and redid the paint, and it looked beautiful. And unfortunately it's just beyond my price. If I could own one, I would get it. It's a beautiful bike. Next up here, so that way we won't have all Hondas on this list, we have any Harley. Pretty much any Harley cruiser bike. I've always had an appreciation for Harleys. I really like their design, and I would really love to try one sometime. I'm thinking about, once Texas cools off here pretty soon, I'm thinking about getting into taking my MSF courses, and I might be taking mine at a Harley dealership. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't actually made any plans, but I would love to try out Harleys. They look really nice. Unfortunately, I can never afford them, but and I always mess with my family a bit. I know they're watching. I always joke with them saying, one of these days I'm gonna bring home a $40,000 Harley. But I don't know. We'll see. I went through this list really quick. I didn't mean to, but I'm trying to get home too. So I'm gonna finish off this list here with the Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive. Now, I've personally been on this bike, but not as the driver. I was a passenger. I mentioned this story once before on the channel. It was my first time actually being on a larger engine size motorbike, and that was definitely an experience for sure. We went around back roads, and he took that thing almost 80 miles an hour on the back road, so that was something else. It was a blast. That thing really, it's a very surprising scooter because it's almost like it's a motorcycle that's cosplaying as a scooter in a way, because it's got an automatic transmission just like a scooter does, but it's also got a big V-twin, and it's just it really goes. It's a beautiful bike, lots of storage. It's something I would love to own sometime. Unfortunately, it's just not within my price point, and I can't legally drive it anyway, so at least at the moment in this video. But as far as my all-time favorite bike I would love to own, it is a cross between the Bergman and the Honda Pacific Coast 800. Those two are just beautiful bikes. Would definitely love to try one out sometime. They flashed their brights at me, but we're at a red light, so I don't know what they want. Alrighty everyone, we're just about getting home. So if you enjoyed this quick little video, let me know in the comments. If you agree with my list, let me know. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite bike? If you would like to have a bike that you don't own, what would that bike be? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know, and I'd love to talk about it. If you'd like to support this channel further, you can subscribe if you want to check out more content. Definitely going to have some more 50cc content coming up soon, talking about various things. And if I find more bike trails or anything bicycle related, I'll probably be checking that out too. If you want to support the channel after that and help me out, you can check out my Ko-fi link in the description, as well as my merch page. I'd appreciate a lot. All the links to my gear in the description are affiliates, so buying from those would have helped me out a lot too. But yeah, I'd appreciate everyone's support. I've been getting a lot of subscribers lately, at least for me. So I appreciate it so much, everyone. But yeah, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here, and I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully we'll have some more content coming up. But yeah, I'll have a good one.